Benefits of lower home humidity. Dear friends, most people think that lowering the humidity of the house is only beneficial when it comes to temperature, but that is not the case. The nature of humidity enables a number of organisms and processes to occur that affect those within the space in various ways. As a result, taking steps to drive down the amount of humidity in your home will pay off in more ways than one. Better house smell. There are times in which your house requires aeration to flush out odors, but sometimes even after a thorough attempt to decrease those smells, they somehow remain. Humidity may be the thing bringing this on, as it actually causes foul-smelling mold and mildew to grow. In order to reverse this, you'll likely have to do two things. The first is to confirm whether or not there is a source for the smell and remedy it. That means locating and removing any sources of mold that may be growing. From there, you will want to begin dehumidifying to remove the moisture from the environment, which will help to restore the standard scent of the space. Decrease in allergies. Humidity in homes allows allergy triggers like dust mites and mildew to flourish, as moisture is able to build up. As a result, those living in these spaces are subject to sneezing, wheezing, and stuffy noses. Not only can this make for miserable living conditions, it can be particularly harmful for children as it can contribute to the development of childhood asthma. Dehumidifying the area helps to make it drier and stop allergy triggers from impeding upon everyday life. Sometimes residential areas are subject to particularly wet seasons, which enable the triggers to multiply. Be sure to dehumidify if your area experienced such a stretch. Better home health. On top of affecting those within homes, humidity can have an effect on a number of structural components of the house as well. Just below the surface, the excess moisture from humidity can gradually rot at the wood within houses, causing the deterioration of both flooring and furniture alike. Humidity can damage drywall and exacerbate cracks, allowing for mold growth and drafts to enter your home and requiring you to make costly repairs over time. The benefit of diligently dehumidifying your home is that not only does it prevent damage, it also helps to eliminate the growth of hazards that may be in hard-to-reach spots and go unnoticed. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.